Hello everyone. I had taken PTE academic training with Best PTE coaching in which Mr. Sandeep is the lead trainer. Before enrolling, I had done thorough online research about the PTE institutes in Hyderabad that can help me get a 79 plus score, and Sandeep's name came on the top of the list. True to my expectations, Sandeep has turned out to be the best PTE trainer. His wide experience and the research that he does to keep himself abreast about the current PTE updates, coupled with the personalized attention that he gives, helped me to get a straight score of 90 in all four skills in the very first attempt. His scientific techniques of HSP, Listening Pro and POA made PTE a breeze for me. I am very thankful to Sandeep and would recommend him to anyone interested in taking PTE academic. Thank you.